Howdy y'all. I recently found this computer power controller at a thrift store and thought it looked pretty interesting. These things were a lot more common in the 90s when you wanted to turn off your peripherals after using them. You can see there's one for the computer, monitor, printer, and then 2 other accessories. There's also a master one if you were just lazy. This thing is basically just a power bar though. I'd like to be able to use this to hook it up to my lights for when I'm recording videos, but I can hear something rattling inside, so I should open it up and make sure that it works. Yeah, looks like some plastic clips fell out. This thing is very simple inside. Basically just switches going directly to power. This could use some repair because I don't think that's supposed to do that. Otherwise though, just with my eye, I don't see anything else that's wrong. We'll just take off all the extra bits we don't need. Really, actually, only looks like we need to just solder 1 point on there. Otherwise, it's kind of in there pretty well. All right, that's soldered in. Just gotta check for continuity. By the way, this is not currently plugged in. That works. I'm just gonna put some hot glue in so it stays. All right, now let's see if we brought it back to life. It's got some lights on. That's good. Looking promising. Well, it looks like all the ones work except for the one that I tried to fix, so gotta get back into it. Here's the problem. I had it in clipped like that when it should be over a little bit more. It wasn't being able to touch the contact. There we go. Now that's where it should be. And now that it's where it should be, time for more hot glue. Okay, that should be sufficiently hot glued. Do not want to touch any of that right now. Looks like it's working. And now I got a fixed up power controller I can use for my lights. That's it for now. So long, y'all.